Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is a Cooking with Bianca episode 2. And today I'm going to be making Philly cheesesteak sandwiches for you guys. These are honestly so easy and they're super good. I made these, I think it was like last month that I tried them out for the first time, and I was so happy with the way they came out. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how I make them. And if you guys do ever recreate any of my recipes, feel free to tag me on my Instagram at Bianca. I will leave it down here so you guys can follow me. But yeah, I really want to see if you guys try out any of the recipes that I've done. And yeah, if you guys want to learn how I make my Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need 1 whole bell pepper chopped up into little pieces, and then 1/4 of an onion, also the same, just chopped up into little pieces. You're gonna need some these are actually called sub rolls. So yeah, I usually get the white ones, but they didn't have any at Walmart today, so I had to get wheat. And then you're gonna need milanesa steak, and then just seasoning for it. I like to season it with garlic powder and just salt and pepper. So yeah, that's basically it. I have my pan here already with some olive oil. It's heating up already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw in my bell peppers and throw in my onion, and then we're gonna leave that there until the onions become translucent, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add the steak after that. Okay, so the vegetables are looking just about done. I have my steak over here that I just cut up into like super thin slices, like this, basically. What is it called? Horizontally. Yeah, I just cut the steak horizontally, and yeah, I have it already seasoned with the salt, the pepper, and the garlic powder. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in over here. And we're just gonna let this sit here until all of the steak is fully cooked. So I will be back in a little bit. So the steak is almost done cooking, and because it is milanesa and because it is so thin, you don't really need to cook it for a long time. So it's been here for about 10 minutes maybe. So maybe I'll give it another 5 more minutes and it should be good. So while I'm waiting for that, I just went ahead and prepped my bread. So I went ahead and cut them in half like this. They're kind of falling over because they're not stuffed yet. But yeah, that's basically all you do with your bread. And then once the meat is done, I'm just gonna stuff them and show you guys the end result. So I've already went ahead and stuffed the sandwich rolls or sub rolls with the meat, and I just sprinkled a little bit of cheese on top. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the oven. I set it to broil, so the cheese is gonna go ahead and get like all bubbly and melty and stuff. When it's on broil, you just want to leave it in for maybe 2 minutes and then take it out, and it should be all good to go. So yeah, we're gonna wait for 2 minutes and I'll show you guys the end result. And here is the finished product. Honestly guys, these are so good, so easy, so fast, and honestly it's only what, like 4 ingredients maybe. Like, come on. If any of you guys recreate this, please tag me. I would love to see if any of you guys make my recipes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.